In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and set up users on your Hubspot account. This quick and easy guide will ensure that you can seamlessly integrate new team members into your Hubspot environment in no time. Let's dive in. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate over to Hubspot's main website. You'll find yourself on a homepage that showcases the breadth of software and tools HubSpot offers for businesses. This is your starting point. Now, at the top right corner of the page, you should see the login option. Go ahead and click on that. If you're not already signed in, you will need to enter your credentials. Once logged in, you'll be directed to the HubSpot home. This is essentially your command center where all the action happens. Now let's get into the setup process. Direct your attention to the upper right corner. There's a gear icon that says settings. Click on this. It's here that you can manage the different features and tools that come with your HubSpot account. Once in the settings, find the section labeled Users and Teams. This is where you handle all things related to user management. By clicking on Users and Teams, you'll see a list of current users and options to either edit their roles or, as we'll focus on today, add new users. To add a new user, look for the button that says Create User. Clicking on this will prompt you to enter the new user's email address. Make sure you're using a valid and active email address that they have access to, as this will be how they get set up with their new account. After entering their email, you'll need to define their roles and permissions within HubSpot. This is crucial as permissions dictate what each user can do within the platform. Ensure you pick roles that align with their responsibilities to maintain seamless operations and data integrity. Once you're satisfied with the settings, send the invite. This prompts HubSpot to send an email to the new user with instructions on how to set up their account. The user needs to follow the link in the email and complete their profile setup. Encourage them to do this as soon as possible so they can begin collaborating with your team right away. And just like that, you've successfully added and set up a new user on your HubSpot account. Remember that managing your team effectively in HubSpot involves revisiting these settings periodically to adjust roles as your team's needs evolve. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more insightful guides like this one.